Thank you for coming to the website AmazingAminos.net. We believe that Amazing Aminos is one of the most exciting and needed nutritional supplements on the market. Did you know that after water, protein is the second most abundant substance in the body? In fact, 75% of the dry weight of your body cells are composed of proteins, and all proteins are composed of amino acids. Amino acids are micronutrients. They're also referred to as building blocks. These micronutrients are the building blocks of all life. Every cell, every chemical, every hormone, every neurotransmitter, your DNA, your RNA, your skin, your hair, your nails, your bones, your enzymes, everything in the body requires amino acids in order to function and thrive at a high level of health. In order to get amino acids into the body, your body has to convert protein. Amino acids aren't things that are made by the body. They come in the body through diet. So I want you to take this tennis ball and think of this as a protein molecule, and then this little BB here, think of that as an amino acid. Wrapped around this protein molecule are all these amino acids. They're bonded to it until it goes through the digestive system, and through your enzymes and your different chemicals in the digestive system, they convert it and break it down into amino acids, which then go into the blood and do all these different tasks that I just outlined. There are two main reasons why almost everyone in America today is deficient in amino acids. Number one, insufficient protein metabolism. And number two, inferior protein sources. Let me just touch on these briefly. Poor digestion is an epidemic in America. In fact, in a recent survey that was conducted, over 70% of the participants complained that they have intestinal-related discomfort. That's a clear warning sign that something's going wrong with protein metabolism in your body, because any sign of digestive problems is a clear sign of protein metabolism problems, which means you're not getting the right aminos into your blood. And in fact, even one amino acid deficiency can lead to a health problem. Other things that are involved with insufficient protein metabolism: lack of enzymes. A lot of the people that are eating all these refined processed foods, they're not getting the enzymes that their bodies need, and without the right enzymes in your body, that's another problem. You can't break the protein down properly or effectively. Also, this is huge, pesticides are known disruptors of the digestive system. Pesticides are sprayed on millions of acres of crops all over America and all over the world, and they know for a fact that pesticides disrupt the digestive system, so they could be a huge problem in protein metabolism. Also, antibiotics. Antibiotics are a serious problem today because they're overused and abused, and they don't know how to distinguish between good and bad bacteria, and subsequently the overuse of antibiotics is causing a lot of intestinal related problems today with people. Also, toxic processed foods, all these refined packaged foods that are turning people's insides into sludge. Your body's just backed up and bound up because of all of the unnatural foods that we're eating today. So let me touch on Amazing Aminos and why Amazing Aminos are the best amino acids to put into your body. Number one, there is no other source of amino acids in the world that even compares to Amazing Aminos. Amazing Aminos are derived from Norwegian salmon. They use a patented process that takes the enzymes from the fish, and they use water, and together they can take all of the fish as a whole and break it down and convert it into amino acids. Most of the amino acids that you'll find in the health food stores and on the market today are produced using a synthetic process. In fact, GMOs, GMO corn, or sugar sources are some of your common foods that they use to obtain amino acids. They also use a fermentation process. None of this stuff is entirely natural, and so your body's not going to get them in the form that they need and in the combination that they need. The other thing is, you need a full spectrum blend of amino acids compared to isolated aminos. There's nothing in nature that we get that usually comes in an isolated fractionated form that's really the best way to get it. You need whole food, full spectrum amino acids, so all of these aminos work together in synergy. The second reason why Amazing Aminos is unlike any other product in the market is that they're pre-digested. Now, I just touched on the digestive issues. Why is this so important with the aminos? because your body doesn't have to break Amazing Aminos down. They simply go from your mouth to your stomach, through the duodenum, for rapid assimilation into the bloodstream. It's like kicking a soccer ball right through a wide open net. They don't have to go through the digestive system and be broken down or converted. So even if you have digestive problems, Amazing Aminos are not going to be hindered. So you're going to get these into the bloodstream immediately. Now compare that to going out and eating a 8-ounce steak. Your body would have to take that steak and it'd have to have the enzymes in there, and it'd have to break that down through an 8 to 12 hour process to try to get the aminos from that meat into your bloodstream. That's a lot of energy expended on the body, and it's under the supposition that all those aminos are going to be there. This is the difference, and this is why Amazing Aminos is so incredible. In fact, our supplier in Norway has funded studies and has proven that within 20 minutes, these aminos go from their mouth to their bloodstream. There's no other product in the world that can even compare to this. So you're getting free-form, short peptide, full spectrum blends of aminos into the body within minutes. Just imagine that. And the other thing, lastly, is that Amazing Aminos are in a bioidentical form. Fish has the closest amino acid profile to man compared to any other thing, whether it's a grain or whether it's an animal product, whether it's milk or eggs, you name it. The amino profile of fish is what we would call bioidentical. So you're going to get aminos that are going to go to work almost immediately and in a form that the body can utilize better than any other form. Just some of the health conditions that amino acids are good for: bone and joint health, digestion, brain function, weight loss, cardiovascular health, detoxification, immune enhancement, youthful skin, muscle repair, energy creation, longevity, you name it. These aminos are going to play a role. Just touching briefly on some of these, bone and joint health is huge, and they've done studies. They know that methionine and arginine, there's many others I'm sure, but those two they know for a fact play a pivotal role in the proper health of your bones and your joints. In fact, they help to reduce inflammation and they help to build cartilage. So that's very important. Digestion, we talked about how many people have digestive problems today. These aminos can actually help repair some of the things that are going on in your intestinal system. And again, they're pre-digested. So that doesn't mean your body has to use enzymes or anything else to get them in there. Brain function. There's so many people that have brain-related issues today. Depression, anxiety, you name it. And these amino acids help build healthy neurotransmitters in the brain. And so that's why they'd be very important for that. And last, weight loss. They know for a fact that L-carnitine helps to burn fat, but all these aminos in a synergy work together to help the metabolism and help build lean muscle mass, you name it, and they're gonna play a pivotal role in weight loss and weight management. There's so much to hear on this site. Feel free to go through the site. You can order now by clicking to the bottom right, or if you'd like to find out more about any of the other products that are made by Market Health, you can go to the website markethealth.com. That's M-A-R-K-I-T health.com. That's markethealth.com. Thanks for watching.